As with several of the films which are released in 2020, the footage for Winter Wind was actually shot in 2018, but the project was placed on hold for a while, for a number of reasons. In early December of last year, I returned to that footage and began editing it to fit the melody of the song Winter Wind, which was written by the Piano Guys. The clay figures in the film were created and designed by a friend of mine, who has also contributed music to a couple of my other films, including the Hedgerow Films compilation and The Dream. Working with these clay figures was something of a challenge, as they were both larger and more fragile than a Lego figure. I also had to make the piano and cello to fit their scale. To do this, I constructed both from foam core, making the piano taller than necessary and then cutting it down to fit the correct height. The set of the film was simple enough, the base being also foam core, with a thin layer of white clay over it to add texture. Perhaps the most difficult aspect of the film was the lighting. Because of the difficulty in accurately replicating the grayness of a snowy, wintry day inside a studio, I decided to not use artificial lighting, like I normally do. Instead, I shot the entirety of the footage during 1 week in December and manipulated the light which came in the window by bouncing it off of and blocking it with white sheets of paper. Overall, I was pretty happy with how the finished project turned out, so you should make sure to watch it if you haven't already.